me.
Jackson.
Let's pretend, kids.
Hi guys, today we're going to finish our movie conveyor box, and we've got all of our supplies out here ready. And today we're going to be building one for Wonder Woman, one of the figures that we opened. But you can make your cinema box or movie box for whatever character you want. If you were to do for Chip, you could do a forest, but for Wonder Woman, we decided to create a cityscape.
Woohoo!
And you can draw it however you like. I took a 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, cut it in half, and that created 2 strips that we'll be taping together. Also have 2 toilet paper rolls, 2 1/4-inch dowels, some cardboard circles that we cut out that'll go inside the toilet paper rolls, and some masking tape or scotch tape, either one, and an old shoebox, and then some hot glue. Kids, please make sure you ask your parents first before you use a hot glue gun, because it can burn you, and I would not want any of you to get hurt. So let's go ahead and finish assembly. We have one that we already started, and we're going to do the other one. We need some tape. Take the circle, place it on top, and then we'll slowly feed the tape to hold the circle in place, like so. So you need just enough to go around, and then you'll bring the tape down, and that holds the circle in place. And this will be important once we make the movie box. There's one side. Need another piece of tape. For the bottom. Tape just like you did the other side. All the way around the top. And you bring the tape down. Now at this point, you want to put the dowel in. Once you tape the 2 pieces on, you want to insert the dowel through the holes and only put a small amount on one side, and I'll explain why later. So now we'll use the hot glue, and again, please make sure that you ask your parents first, because we want to make sure that you guys are safe, and apply the hot glue around the dowel to make sure that it is secure. Okay. Both sides. And that one is complete. Do this one. Just hot glue around the edge to make sure that it stays secure. Nothing pretty. And there we go. Okay. So we'll give that a second to dry, and then we'll assemble the movie box. Okay, now that these have dried, we're going to attach the 2 pictures together. So I'm going to flip these over. In the first section, we're just going to do tape across the seam. I'm just using scotch tape. I'm sorry, masking tape. No, scotch tape. And so we're going to attach it just like that. Okay, so we'll leave that there. Now we're going to take our spindles, and we are going to put them through the holes that we made in our tennis shoe box, like so. We'll take the other one, and there we go. And now we're going to run our picture through the back of our spindles. Bring it up on this side. So we went ahead and taped the paper together, and it's very important that it be very tight, so you don't want it to be loose when you turn the knobs. And now we're going to get our Wonder Woman figure, and I have this clear plastic Lego piece that I think will work well for this. So we'll put that through here first. And I cut another hole. And now, moment of truth. Wonder Woman flying through, oh, wrong way. Flying through the air. You can move her around. But she's flying for justice. Let's see what the kids think about this. Okay, kids, so here's what we built. It is a movie box. And we got Wonder Woman set up, and you move these dowels, and it looks like she's flying in Metropolis, saving the day. Check it out.
That's cool.
This is so cool.
Did you make the whole thing, the whole map yourself?
Yep.
Yeah. Like, so girl just came and say Wonder Woman. She's just like laying down, like in the sky. It's like, say, help me! Say, help me!
Hey, they're fine. Come on with me.
That's the
I'm going to
technique
fly
you
today.
do. I was saying.
I don't need savings, Turtle! No! I don't need savings!
I say you fly. Sky.
Flying squirrel.
Another thing you can do with your new minifigures is create a display. Zoe made a house for Stargirl, and I created this scene from Hercules for Hades. This is the River of Souls from the movie Hercules. And as you can tell, I left a little spot up here. I'm hoping that we'll get the Hercules figure and we can build some more on top. Thanks again for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. And also down below we have our email address. Feel free to send us pictures of your displays or your projects. We would love to see them. And stay tuned every Sunday for our new videos. Thanks. Bye.